This is really amazing canal. People, lot of people come and here and there just watch this amazing scenery, and really this is wonderful place at village. So come.